Hi guys, so here's another look I do to stretch it out until wash day. This is my top knot bun. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep watching. So right here I'm spraying my hair with water. It's already separated into two sections. And then I just start to detangle my hair really good. I start by combing it out section by section and then brushing it. Because the key to a sleek bun is making sure your hair is fully detangled. And I make sure I start from my ends and work my way all the way up to the root. And I already have product in my hair from previous styling, so spring water activates those products. And if I need more, I just go back in with the Aussie Moist conditioner. I love this stuff. And then once I'm done detangling, I take the Eco Styler gel and apply it to the perimeter of my hair. And I do use gels in most of my styles, which is why I do wash my hair or co-wash it once a week and deep condition it. And then I just take the brush and smooth that product out. And then once my hair is up positioned where I want it, I just rub some olive oil in my hands and apply it to my hair, especially on my ends, because this is also a protective style. And then I just start brushing my hair again. And then if you'll notice, I start to brush my hair in the way I'm going to form my bun. And then I just wrap the hair around itself and pin it. And that's it. And then I take some more olive oil and take out a few curls just to add some character. And then I take some olive oil edge control and apply it to my edges. And then I take the rat tail comb just for some more height. And I spray my edges with water, add some more Aussie moist conditioner. And then I go back in with the edge control to smooth that out. And if you want to see how I do my baby hairs thoroughly, just go to my last video. I'll have it linked in the description box. And this is my sleek top knot bun. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video.